Hello students, welcome back to the online classes. We are learning the unit algebraic expressions and identities. In the last video, we learnt about addition of algebraic expression. Today in this video, we'll try to learn subtraction of algebraic expressions. In the last class, what we have studied is addition of algebraic expression. Today we learn subtraction of algebraic expression. The rule remains same. Only the like terms can be subtracted. Only the like terms can be added or subtracted. Please do remember this rule. Only the like terms can be added or subtracted. Today we learn subtraction of algebraic expressions. Hopefully you have understood the addition of algebraic expression. Now we'll try to recap the rules of addition and subtraction of algebraic expression. What is the rule? The rules are only the like terms can be added or subtracted. Unlike terms cannot be added or subtracted. While adding or subtracting the like terms, their numerical coefficients are added or subtracted. Now we'll solve few questions. Subtract 5x from 10x. Subtract 5x from 10x. Now 10x minus 5x. Now we can subtract 5x from 10x because these two are like terms. Therefore 10 minus 5 is 5 and x as it is. Therefore 10x minus 5x is 5x. Moving to second question. Subtract 6m square from 13m square. 13m square. Now 13m square minus 6m square. What we get? 13 minus 6 is 7m square because these two are like terms. Moving to question number 3. Subtract 6x plus 5y from 10x plus 11y. Now write down the first algebraic expression 10x plus 11y. 10x plus 11y. Now write down the first algebraic expression 6x plus 5y below the second algebraic expression. Now when you are subtracting, you should change the signs of the subtrahend. That is, plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus, plus 6x becomes minus 6x. Now 10x minus 6x we get 4x. Now 11x minus 5y is 6y. Bigger number sign is plus. What we get is 6y. 4x plus 6y is the required solution. Subtract 5x square minus 4y square plus 6y minus 3 from 7x square minus 4xy plus 8y square plus 5x minus 3y. Now write down the second algebraic expression 7x square minus 4xy plus 8y square plus 5x minus 3y. Now what you need to do? Now the first algebraic expression, choose each term and write below the term such that it becomes like terms. So I can write 5x square below 7x square. Therefore it becomes like terms. Now 4y square I can write below 8y square. Now 6y can be written below minus 3y. Now minus 3 is written separately because there is no constant terms. Now wherever the empty spaces are there, I'll put 0. Now change the sign in the subtrahend. Plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus. plus becomes minus. Now minus become plus. Now 7x square minus 5x square we get 2x square. 7x square minus 5x square we get 2x square. Now minus 4xy plus 0 is as it is minus 4xy. Now plus 8y square plus 4y square will give you 12y square, plus 5x minus 0 is plus 5x. Now minus 3y minus 6y will get minus 9y. Now minus 3, after changing the sign it becomes plus 3, that is plus 3. Now we got 2x square minus 4xy plus 12y square plus 5x minus 9y plus 3. Now moving to next question, subtract 4a minus 7ab plus 3b plus 12 from 12a minus 9ab plus 5b minus 3. Now write down the second algebraic expression 12a minus 9ab plus 5b minus 3. Now pick each term from the first algebraic expression and write below the second algebraic expression such that it becomes like term. Now I will take the first term 4a and write below 2a such that 12a and 4a becomes like term. Now minus 7ab I will write below 9ab so that it becomes like terms. In the same way 3b and 12. Now change the sign. Plus 4a becomes minus 4a, minus 7ab becomes plus 7ab, plus 3b becomes minus 3b, plus 12 becomes minus 12. Now 12a minus 4a is 8a. Now minus 9ab plus 7ab will give you minus 2ab. Now plus 5b minus 3b we get plus 2b. Now minus 3 minus 12 is minus 15. So this is the solution. Students, based on the understanding of the previous question, that is addition and subtraction of algebraic expression, and identify the terms and coefficients, try to solve this 4 means on your own. First means, second main, third main and fourth main, which is very simple. Try to solve by yourself. Thank you for watching the video. Hopefully you have understood all these concepts. Subscribe the channel if you find videos are useful.